This is haldi.
Yellow powder.
This
Yellow powder, yeah.
turmeric.
Yeah, tell me, yeah.
Turmeric.
Powder, this.
Huh? Anji, I said, I am ready. Jira. This is jira.
Jira. Okay.
See?
Ani jira यहाँ go? Jira यहाँ? Right?
Jiran, कोड आता है ना, कोड आता है.
हाँ.
ओए, कोड आता है, jiran.
This is wait. This is ani kita muda. Enggak muda? Nanti.
What is it?
Ali.
Garlic?
Ginger.
Ginger. Oh, ginger.
Ginger and garlic mix.
Ginger and garlic.
Yeah, and they put garlic.
And this is pepper?
Pepper powder.
Pepper.
Yeah, keep saying.
Pepper powder.
Pepper powder.
Pepper powder.
Yeah.
Lots of pepper. Yep.
And this is
Keep that in there.
tiki.
Tiki?
Yeah.
Like tikka masala?
Tiki masala.
Tiki masala. Tiki masala sauces. Spices. Tiki masala spice. All right.
So this is this thin bread, huh?
Long. Okay.
More masala. Masala mixture. So tiki and then masala. So we have tiki masala.
And this is called
Tomato sauce.
tinggal.
And what is this?
This is I'm going to Ali akim dari. Ginger.
Ginger.
Yeah, ginger.
Lots of ginger. Look at that ginger. Wow. Total spices.
Ginger. And you can yellow powder.
Now what do we have?
Ginger. This is something ginger only.
More ginger. Wow. That is gingery. And what is this?
This is ginger only.
More
Any
ginger?
ginger. Lo sono go.
Yeah, garlic.
So yeah.
This is garlic.
Bro.
Garlic.
So, and this right here is,
This is garlic.
that's garlic?
Garlic.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that garlic. Giant garlic
Boleh
pile.
aja.
Put it all
Ani
away.
यहाँ go. Ani यहाँ ये.
ये पापा ना थे तो सुबह में होते हैं हाँ तो नहीं ये पापा ना
And this is a good flavor. It's only flavor for a taste.
More masala flavoring, kind of. Masala is just a mixture of a bunch of spices. Now that is a lot of spices. No wonder they're so good.
Nah. And up and the sanga and the raptor. Edema. Sanga edema.
Nanti nak dibahas lagi tu ya. This is chili, red chili.
Chili.
Yeah.
Chili. Wow. That's our heat is being added now. Pure chili prepared from scratch.
Ini apa aja? Ini lagi.
Wow.
I think kalau nak kau anu deh
No, baru nanti.
kita galon kalau ni nak tu saya I think kalau
That chili
dunia
Kita sudah ini.
is hot, bright, and orange.
Macam hati kali kau tu.
aku kalau kata wah itu nak dunia ni tu tak macam kau ni macam tu itu anu tinggal tu tu matang.
And lastly, we have
Oh, Afin, sang hujan aku. This is vinegar.
vinegar.
Sang
이나 갈로 아프네 버리나 갈래? 에 그냥 이상이 피도 이상이 피도
Itu kan benda masalah no.
For this masala, only for masala comes to 8,000. Only for masala comes to 8,000. 8 to 10,000 for only for masala.
Yeah.
Then for this pork come to 15,000.
Wow.
Then for their expensive money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And right here you got
Sobre red chili. Itu kain mix no. Itu kain galon. Kalau tanggal tu.
Sudah paham tak?
Ini.
Ini yang itu.
Ada dia.
and this is more chili.
Qual era tá assim? Já bastante qual era? Sim, corba. Porque rundre. Qual era nem corba, nada tem é, tá no costa lo volta até.
Coba sih.
Oi, tá falando aí.
So this is where it gets its red coloring.
All red color.
Bro. Hah? Apa dah? Apa tu?
Food color.
Good coloring and flavoring. Pure pork flavor and color. Dark red. Then Tony's taking a little bit of vinegar and thinning out the rest of that to clean that container out. And then the rest of the vinegar to rinse it out again.
Apa yang berpari ya, galpari? Ayo.
Tu आखी गाल बाटली गाली no.
Kira.
बाटली गाली tu इंदर.
Itu galpari mana?
गाले.
The rest of the vinegar in there.
Inak.
Ti galan mache test.
Taste adre.
The rest of that.
Pipa.
Ha. Tu gaji boy tu.
Yellow.